Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you through how to add a bank account to Robinhood so you can fund and withdraw easily. So first, what you will have to do is of course open the Robinhood app and go to account and bank transfers or transfers. Then next, you will tap add bank account and choose to link via instant verification, paid or manual micro deposits. And after that, if using instant verification, sign into your bank via the secure provider and then select the account and then confirm. If using manual micro deposits, you will enter your bank routing and account numbers, then wait for the two small verification deposits. Confirm the amount in the app and then set this bank as your primary funding source if desired. Finally, initiate a transfer to confirm the connection works. And that's it. And by the way, quick tip, enable two-factor authentication and choose a checking account for faster transfers. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.